Hi everyone. Today's recipe is one of my favorite as it's not just super healthy but delicious too, and you can enjoy it as a dip with your favorite snacks or as a spread with sandwiches and wraps. So let's get started with the making of this eggless and zero oil spread recipe, which is a healthy alternative of mayonnaise. And here I've taken 100 grams of paneer or cottage cheese and will transfer into a blender jar. You can adjust the quantity of paneer as per the quantity you want to make. Next, here I have taken around 1/4 cup of broken cashews that has been soaked in warm water. For seasoning goes some salt as per taste, some black pepper, some sugar to balance the taste, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder which will give a nice garlicky flavor to our spread, half teaspoon of American mustard sauce, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and now we will add some water and blend this into a smooth and creamy paste. Let's check this now. So our spread is almost ready, and now into this I will add half teaspoon of mixed herbs which will further enhance the flavor of our spread. We'll give this a good mix. And our creamy, healthy and delicious spreads for sandwiches and wraps or dips for nachos and fries is ready to be enjoyed. So friends, do try this high protein homemade spread recipe which is not just healthy but delicious too, at least much better than the store-bought mayonnaise which is loaded with harmful oils and preservatives. And you can store this in the fridge for a week and use this as a healthy spread while making sandwiches and wraps or enjoy as a dip with your favorite snacks. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and healthy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.